What are we? Where did we come from? Why are we here? How is the universe here? Well, good news and bad news. I can answer the last question. Well, in theory. Close enough, right? The universe and the Big Bang Theory. The theory of how the universe was created. Are you ready for the greatest video in your lifetime? Now, to take you to a very awkward, shy boy.
The universe, everything that you and I are in, came from somewhere or something. It did not just appear as what it is. The most common and probably the most supported theory is that the origins of the universe were from the Big Bang. What was the Big Bang? This is a theory that states the universe burst into existence. This is when the universe that you and I live in, for a fraction of a second, was no bigger than the edge of a toothpick. When I say fraction of a second, I mean a fraction of a fraction of a fraction. A nanosecond. And the universe started to inflate at an exponential rate, inflating faster than light itself. Now, only until recently, this theory of cosmic inflation had little to no evidence supporting it. Until Bicep 2 discovered ripples from the Big Bang. As said in an article on Science Daily, gravitational waves squeeze space as they travel, and this squeezing produces a distinct pattern in the cosmic microwave background. Gravitational waves have a handedness, much like light waves, and can have left and right-handed polarizations. Bicep 2 had detected a signal that they said was a swirly B-mode pattern. This is a unique signature of gravitational waves because of their handedness. This is the first direct image of gravitational waves across the primordial sky, said co-leader Chow-Lin Kuo from Stanford University. This ensures that the signals they have received were in fact from the Big Bang, the origins of the universe, because of their distinct pattern. According to this website, dark energy played a humongous role in the expansion of the universe. How was this figured out? Well, during the years of Hubble and COBE, the picture of the Big Bang, the burst that made our universe, became clearer and clearer to understand. However, until 1996, it was assumed that the universe would gradually slow down with expansion. However, the exact opposite is taking place. Instead of the universe slowing down the inflation, it is accelerating. Now, why? Well, facts are that mass creates gravity, gravity creates pull, and in theory, this should slow down the inflation. But why isn't it? Well, supernova observations showed the universe is expanding, so physicists have put a name on it: dark energy. Although not exactly sure what this is, an article on this website has stated that the energy needed to keep the universe expanding is 63% of the current universe. 63% of the universe is dark energy. Dark matter takes up approximately 27%. What about normal matter? You know, us. What we're made out of. Well, normal matter adds up to less than 5% of the current universe. As you can see, even without the axes present, it is extremely obvious of the ripples of the background light radiation. This has been like looking for a needle in a haystack, but instead we found a crowbar, said team co-leader Dr. Clem Pryke from University of Minnesota. Dr. Joanna Dunkley, a lecturer at astrophysics at Oxford University, said, "These gravitational waves are space itself shrinking and stretching. They were put in, we think, by this model called inflation, where we think space expanded faster than the speed of light during the first trillionth of a second of the universe." What Bicep 2 has found is near revolutionary. It will influence many that Albert Einstein was right. The universe did originate from the Big Bang. The ripples found are proof of this, as they are leftover radiation from the Big Bang. They are massive indications and will possibly lead to dozens or hundreds of new discoveries. So what was the Big Bang and inflation? Well, in short, the universe, once a tiny singularity, of which contained the energy and matter that now composes what fills our universe, everything here. This singularity somehow lost its integrity and burst. It exploded. This force forced the universe to move outwards. This was the Big Bang. The cosmic inflation was and is the continual expansion of the universe. Thank you.